How to perm without rods. 7 DIY methods with household items. Tired of traditional curling tools? Discover how to create stunning curls and waves using items you already have at home. These simple, cost-effective methods bring salon-style results to your fingertips, so let's ditch the rods and get creative with household items. Hair perming rods can be expensive and time-consuming. Switching to everyday items offers convenience and affordability. Plus, these DIY methods make the process customizable, letting you experiment with different curl sizes and styles. It's a fun way to personalize your beauty routine while staying on budget. Before jumping into these methods, start with clean, slightly damp hair. Apply a curl-enhancing product or mousse to help shape your curls. Don't forget to comb through knots gently. This ensures smooth results and protects your hair from unnecessary breakage during curling. Take a clean sock and wrap small sections of hair around it. Once coiled, tie the ends of the sock together to secure it in place. This technique creates soft, effortless waves. Leave them overnight, or speed things up with a blow dryer for quick results. For precise, bouncy curls, grab some plastic straws. Wrap thin hair sections tightly around the straws and secure them with a bobby pin or small elastic. This works great for vibrant curls that hold their shape. They're ideal for adding flair to casual or fancy occasions. Divide your hair into multiple sections and braid each one tightly. The more braids you make, the smaller and wavier the curls. Sleep on the braids or use a flat iron over them to lock in waves. This method is perfect for achieving that chic, beachy look without fuss. Slip a headband over your head and start tucking sections of hair around it. Continue looping until all your hair is wrapped. Hours later, remove the band for voluminous spiral curls. It's a great way to achieve a classic red carpet-ready hairstyle in the comfort of your home. Roll strips of paper towel into tubes and wrap small hair sections around them, tying the ends together. This method creates mess-free, lightweight ringlets. It's gentle on your hair and perfect for a heat-free transformation anyone can try. Cut an old cotton t-shirt into strips and use them as curlers. Wrap sections of hair around the strips, then tie the ends into knots. This technique delivers soft, touchable waves while reducing heat damage. Ideal for an everyday casual style. Fold aluminum foil into strips and wrap pieces of hair around them. Gently press a flat iron over the foil-wrapped hair sections for a short time. The result? Bold, salon-worthy curls without the need for plastic rods. Perfect for special occasions. To ensure your DIY curls last, spritz them with a light hold hairspray or dab on some setting lotion. Avoid brushing your curls. Instead, use your fingers to style them. These small steps go a long way in maintaining the texture and definition throughout the day. Creating the perfect curls without rods is easy, affordable, and so much fun. Now it's your turn. Try your favorite method and share your amazing curls with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your results or tips. Ready to say goodbye to rods and hello to creativity? Let's get curling!